So we got another cumulative frequency histogram here. And I got to try to figure out where the thing ends. So it ends right there, which is about in the middle of these two, which means about 340 people are represented in this graph total. All right, so 340 total people. We're going to need that for some of the stuff. So it wants to know the median, which again, we've done this a few other ones if you've done them, means where does 50% happen? So that means I got to take 340, multiply it by 0.5. That means where does 170th thing happen? And again, that's how many people. So 170, and we're trying to estimate here, 170 going over, let's see, 170 is going to be right about there. So we're down here, right about there. We'll say about 95. All right, so approximately 95. It says the interquartile range. That's 75% minus 25%. And I got to figure these out. All right, so it's going to be, let's drag this over here. So 0.75 times 340, 0.25 times 340. Let's see what we got there. 340 times 0.75 times 340 is 255 and 85. So I need to know where those two things happen. So 255, 85. We're going to estimate those in the graph. So 85 is going to be a little tiny bit above 80 there. So we'll say maybe right about there. And that's going to be 65. The 25% is 65. Then we got to figure out where 255 happens, approximately. 255 is going to be right about in there. Which is going to be right about there. Which is going to be about 125. And we're estimating, so as long as we're reasonably close to what's going on, we're going to be all right. Subtract those two, so 60 is the interquartile range. Then it says the 90th percentile, so 0.9 times 340. Is 306. So I want to know where that happens. So go back over to my graph here. 306 is going to happen a little above halfway there, which is going to be probably right about there. But exactly halfway between those two, which is right around 150. So 150. Then it says, are there any outliers on this thing? Well, we figured out that the interquartile range was 60. So we've got 60 times 1.5, which is going to give me 90. So the lower quartile was 85. So 85 minus 90 is negative 5. So anything under negative 5, which nothing did that. And then the upper quartile is 255 plus 90. I'm sorry, that is not the upper quartile. The upper quartile is 125. So 125 plus 90 is 215, and anything over 215, which also didn't happen. All right, so there are no outliers.